How to fix your TikTok account region not found. So if you want to fix your TikTok account region not found, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which will be at the bottom. From the profile, go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right, and then go with settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, here you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of language. You need to tap on language. And here you need to change your language. Like for example, if you're in the United States, you need to just simply go and choose English, United States or something like that. If the issue still appears, then you need to go back to your phone settings and open up the device location and make sure that the location is turned on. TikTok uses this to identify your region. Next, you can just simply go back and then tap and hold on to your TikTok application. Go with the app info. From here, you need to go with permissions and make sure that you allow the location permission. So tap on location right here and then allow while using the application. Go back and then go with storage and cache and clear the cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Just go and restart your device and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.